Hello friends, welcome back to Thinking Gap. അപ്പോൾ Thinking Gapന്റെ മറ്റൊരു ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ ഞാൻ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ലെക്ചർ ഇൻ പോളിടെക്നിക്കിലെ കോൺക്രീറ്റിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടാണ്. കോൺക്രീറ്റിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്. നമുക്ക് അധികം സമയം കളയണ്ട, നേരെ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Next is proportioning of materials. Proportioning of materials. So, the process of selection or relative proportion of fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, cement and water for obtaining concrete of required quantity is known as proportioning of concrete. So, what do you mean by proportioning of concrete? The process of selection of relative proportion of fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, cement and water for obtaining a concrete of required quality is known as proportioning of concrete. Next we are going to discussing about batching of concrete. Batching. So, the process of measuring the quantity of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water for concrete is called batching. So, the process of measuring the quantity of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water for concreting is called batching. So, it will ensure the uniformity of proportion and aggregate grading. So, it will ensure the uniformity of proportions and aggregate grading. Next, we are going to discussing about the mixing of concrete. Mixing. Actually, there are two types of mixing of concrete. First one, hand mixing, and second one, machine mixing. Hand mixing and machine mixing. So, manual mixing of various ingredients of concrete is called hand mixing. What do you mean by hand mixing? Manual mixing of various ingredients of concrete is called hand mixing. It is employed for mixing concrete for small works. And the second one is machine mixing. The process of mixing various constituents of concrete by machine is called machine mixing. In this method, all materials including water are collected in a revolving drum and then rotate the drum for a certain period. So, rotating process is done by machine mixing. These are two types of mixing. There are two types of mixtures. First one, hand operated concrete mixer, and second one, tilting drum type concrete mixer. So, first one, hand operated concrete mixer, and the second one, tilting drum type concrete mixer. So, compared to hand mixing, machine mixing gives better quality concrete at a faster rate. So, as compared to hand mixing machine, machine mixing gives better quality concrete at a faster rate. That is 1 to 2 minutes. So, next we are going to discussing about compaction. Next we are going to discussing about compaction. What do you mean by compaction? Compaction is a process of expelling the entrapped air. If we don't expel this air, it will result into honeycombing and reduce the strength. If we don't expel this air, it will result into honeycombing and reduce the strength. So, next we are going to discussing about different methods of compaction factor. Compaction factor is equal to observed weight of concrete divided by theoretical weight of concrete. So, compaction factor is equal to observed weight of concrete divided by theoretical weight of concrete. So next is different methods of concrete compaction. First one is hand compaction. Hand compaction. Hand compaction. Hand compaction is used for ordinary and unimportant structures. Ordinary and unimportant structures. The various methods of hand compaction are: first one, rodding. First one, rodding. It is a method of packing with a 2 meter long, 60 meter diameter rod at sharp corners and edges. Sharp corners and edges. And the second one is ramming. Ramming. It is used for compaction on ground in plain concrete. Ground in plain concrete. And the third one, tamping. Tamping. Top surface is beaten by wooden cross beam. So top surface is beaten by wooden cross beam. It is mainly used for roof slabs and road pavement. So it is mainly used for roof slabs and road pavements. And the next one is mechanical compaction. Next one is mechanical compaction. Mechanical compaction. Vibration is imparted to the concrete by mechanical means. By mechanical means. It causes temporary liquefaction so that air bubbles come onto the top and expelled ultimately. So it causes temporary liquefaction so that air bubbles come onto the top and expelled ultimately. So these are all about compaction. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ കോൺക്രീറ്റിന്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇച്ചിരി ഒരു ലെങ്തി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പോർഷൻ ആണ്. നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട്സ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കുക. പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഷുവറായിട്ട് ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്ത ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കാണുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.